I think if I have one message for everyone out there this year, it's that you're not alone. I'm Walter Parker, the Minister of Mortgage, and I'm here to talk about real estate in 2023. So this year has been a rough ride for many people. We've seen many friends and loved ones that have jumped out of the business because the business just dried up for them. They didn't have solutions to the changing climate of the market. A lot of less listings, so it means less buyers. So there's hurt to go all around, not just real estate agents, but mortgage loan officers as well. That's why I am excited. We're hosting the Mile High Real Estate Experience on October 12th, 2023, and you're not going to want to miss this. We have Coach Michael Burt, who's going to talk to you about the mindset, the prey drive that is within you, and he's going to help bring that out. And then from there, we're going to go on and we're going to talk about how one individual in 2022, just their second year in real estate, sold and made $1 million in gross commission just off of YouTube alone. That's Levi Lessick. And then of course we have our local panel, Brendan Bartek, Lori Abbey, Barry Overton, and Andrew Vos. They're going to be amazing. They're going to sit down and talk to you about how they're still doing hundreds of transactions still this year. We're going to talk about conversion. And we're also going to have yours truly speaking to you as far as about TikTok and how you can get seen. And I've helped agents even get over 1 million views just from one video. So you won't want to miss that. Last but not least, we also have a special guest who's going to come talk to us about dealing with anxiety. Because if you're like me, I've had some very anxious moments this year. So don't miss it, October 12th from 9 to 2 at Mile High Spirits. Tickets are below. It's only $25, ladies and gentlemen. The least expensive conference you're going to go to all year, and you're going to get the most out of it because you're going to walk out with the blueprint in hand of how to not only survive, but thrive this year and next. We'll see you there.